Hello everybody, Raine here, and in this webisode I am going to be playing the Hunter. So, I haven't really played too much before I started recording this. I started walking around and playing around with some of the controls and looked through the controls and tried to figure out exactly what it is to do. I really still don't know too much about it. Like, I know space does something, I already kind of forgot what that does. But, so I'm gonna try and find some creatures. We'll see how that goes. So another thing that I noticed before I even started recording this was that it actually gets darker and like will start to rain and stuff like that. So I like that, being that it actually does regular nature stuff. And the visuals aren't too bad on this either. Oh, you are running. Like, why are you panting so much? Yeah, if I'm not sounding like I normally would, I'm not really feeling the best. But I still wanted to try and get this out to you guys, so I will try not to be too bad. Sorry, like near the shed or logs or something, it looked like as if someone was just constantly walking out, but one, my eyes aren't the best, as I've said numerous times, I'm sure. And it's kind of jumping as of right now, but it's okay. Where are these animals supposed to be? Where in the world? You're gonna run again. You may get tired out, but you're gonna run. We're gonna find some animals or something. But yeah, so this is definitely one thing that I don't like about winters. Feeling like crap, like, a lot. What's the compass now? It's like it just randomly showed up. Lodgers Point Field Lodge. That's where I came. Oh, wait. I don't get it. Is that what I was looking at? Oh, man. Don't tell me I just went into a ginormous circle from where I started. You can feel as tired. I don't know if that's really gonna have any. Oh, maybe space is to hold your breath when you're shooting. I don't remember. Maybe I should have spent some more time in the controls. Menu. Oh boy. Uh. Light. Light. Oh, I didn't want to do it that time. There it is. Is that a bird? Or is that just all ginormous thing? Well, at least there's birds. So I guess that's something. Those are leaves. Can't fool me on that one. Probably should have. Really? How do you get stuck on a rock? I was trying to do that before. When I was gonna start it, I was gonna try and go up on a log and then kind of do like a view of everything, but I wanted to get stuck on some rocks. And you know what? I'm going to try and shoot a bird. What is it? Birdie! Here, birdie, birdie, birdie! I hear you. Oh, that's a far bird. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to shoot that. But yeah, in real life, I'm not a huge gun person. Like, I wouldn't shoot an animal, I guess I should say, because I've... Is that the only bird? Biscuits. Alright. Well then, let's move onward. So yeah, like up in my camp, I had like pellet guns and stuff like that with my father and my uncle. And we would put like targets up or like cans, things like that, just kind of shoot at them. But that's a little bit different than an actual living animal. I mean, maybe if I had to, I would, but other than that, I definitely don't see myself kind of. All right, I see you, bird. Oh, there's more birds. What? What? Oh boy. They're just like disappearing on me now. It's not nice. These birds are not nice whatsoever. Alright, well, let's kind of exit that. Keep the gun out, though. Are you a bird? Or are you just the top of a tree? That is just the top of a tree. But you're not. Yep, space is to hold breath. Aw. Come on, let's move. Is this like all that I'm gonna run into are birds that are just gonna disappear and then just hide from me? You're a rock. Man. I wish I could run faster though. I mean, like, it makes sense that being that I'm holding the gun and everything like that, but still, I mean, even when I'm not, that's one thing. Unless there's a way to run faster, please let me know. Lots of pretty flowers. That's pretty much all that it's doing. And this is the area that has the more of the animals out of what I could select, and nothing. I want to at least get something. That is my... Where did the bird go now? Huh. Hum. Oh, now I see you. Ha ha ha. Come on, birdie. Oh, there's another one on the top, but... Right. The thing is that he is very sporadic. Come on, birdie. Aw. Okay, how about walk and try to shoot ya? Oh, that was a mess. Oh, he was like right above me. Yeah, let's just randomly shoot the air. Alright. So walk over. Walking. Well, it really doesn't look too much like I'm walking. Because this guy walks so slow. Seriously? Come on. Really? I will. Maybe. At some point. Oh, boy. Now the tree's in my way. Man. Why am I so bad at this? Okay, so maybe I'm just gonna ignore the birds right now. Let's see. Let's go up this mountain. I don't know, I'm trying to get some better view. Man, I'm so sad. Seems like I'm not gonna be able to kill anything. And how is it that you can just walk through trees, but you get stuck on a rock? How? Oh, now you get stuck on the tree. Or is there a rock there? Oh, there's rocks there. And of course you... What? So am I not allowed to go... Oh, wait. Maybe I can go around this. At this point, it looks like there's just a stop. But I could be wrong. Oh, this birdie's close. Alrighty. Come on, a bird. Well, maybe it isn't helping that I'm trying to walk and now I'm just staring into a tree. Grrr. Stupid tree. See, I don't get that. How does... I mean, I understand that you can, like, move tree branches and stuff like that, but I don't like how these birds are just, like, so sporadic. I mean, it makes sense because regular birds are, but... This is one reason why I'm about to give up on birds. Fine. Forget you too. I don't need ya. I don't need any of ya. I will figure this out. At some point. I don't know, though. Huh. See, now I'm trying to use the scroll, which isn't really doing anything. Man. I really hate birds. I never thought I would hate a bird so much. Oh. Come on. Stupid. Oh, is there something down there? Or is there something down here? Something maybe in anything? So yeah, when I was reading the animals that are in each location... Okay, you're still moving. It was saying that there's whitetail and some rabbits, coyotes, and a whole bunch of other stuff, but I am seeing a whole lot of nothing but birds. And man, these birds are not my friend whatsoever. Oh, oh boy. Grr. Come on. How is it that I can't find a single animal besides a bird? Oh, my goodness. Just erg. I don't know. If any of you do, please tell me in the comments. I'm not gonna try and go after any more birds. If you'd like to see more, let me know. I mean, I'm probably gonna, maybe, we'll see, try and venture off and try and find some other animal, but I'm not gonna waste your time doing that. But, oh, we'll see. We will very much see. Because, yeah, this is definitely getting annoying. What is... Is that just, like, not rendered? Oh, yep, those are just not rendered trees. Is that a telephone pole? What? That, I don't want to move. Put the gun away. Thank you. So, yeah, when I started this, I had, like, a phone out for, like, tracking, I'm assuming. And then I was trying to figure out controls before I even went into the control options, and so I pulled out the gun, and alright, so I'll give these birds one last chance to cooperate. But yeah, so I was trying to figure out how to get that back up, because I think that would maybe help out a little bit more. But now where do these stinking birds go off to? Man, hey, birds more and more every time. See, now, oh no, they're not there. There's some down over there, but so yeah, I'm gonna leave this one here because this is getting annoying. And so thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have any intel that would possibly help me out at all, please let me know in the comments below. That would be amazing. So thank you again so much, and like I said, any help from you guys would be very, very, very much appreciated. So I will see you in my next webisode. Thank you again so much for watching. Cata, Raine signing out. Later!